everyone, and welcome back to Get Real Life TV. Today we are diving into a topic that is not just important but absolutely vital for anyone exploring Yoruba spiritual paths, especially within the profound and powerful realm of Yoruba spirituality. We are going to talk openly and honestly about the very real and often devastating dangers of working with unverified, unqualified, or outright fake spiritual practitioners. I know many of you are seeking genuine guidance, profound protection, or authentic solutions to life's complex challenges. And while there are incredibly gifted and ethical practitioners out there, sadly, trusting the wrong person can have serious, long-lasting consequences far beyond just disappointment. So, I urge you to stay with me through this entire video because my mission today is to equip you with the knowledge to protect your spiritual well-being, your emotional peace, and even your financial security. Let's shine a light on these dangers so you can walk your spiritual path with discernment and safety. Let's first truly understand the gravity of why engaging with unverified or fake spiritual practitioners is so dangerous. Yoruba spirituality at its core is a powerful, sacred, and deeply rooted in a rich ancient tradition. It's a profound system that, when approached authentically, can bring immense blessings, clarity, and transformation. It's a matter of energy. Spiritual work isn't just symbolic, it involves energetic exchanges. An authentic Babalawo, through their lineage and training, is a skilled conduit for positive, aligned energy. An unverified or fake practitioner, however, lacks this connection, this understanding, and this proper ashe or spiritual authority. They might open doors to negative energies, create spiritual imbalances, or simply operate in a way that is energetically chaotic and detrimental. When you seek spiritual guidance, you are often at your most vulnerable, sharing ultimate details about your life, your hopes, and your fears. Placing this sacred trust in someone unqualified or malicious is a profound betrayal. Fake practitioners often create an illusion of solutions, promising grand outcomes while performing ineffective or even harmful practices. This leaves you stuck, sometimes worse off, and delusionalized. That is why it is not just recommended, but absolutely crucial to exercise extreme caution and do your comprehensive homework before entrusting anyone with your sacred spiritual well-being. Let's break down the specific, tangible dangers you expose yourself to when you work with unverified practitioners. These are not just theoretical risks. They are realities that many individuals have painfully experienced: financial exploitation and loss. This is unfortunately one of the most common and immediate dangers. Fake practitioners frequently pressure you to pay large sums of money immediately, often claiming it's for rare materials, urgent rituals, or special prayers without any transparent explanation. They might start with a small fee at the initial stage, then continually invent new, increasingly expensive problems that only they can solve, trapping you in a cycle of payments. They might threaten spiritual repercussions or their misfortunes if you do not comply with their financial demands. Leveraging your fear or desperation. They could simply take your money and vanish, leaving you with no recourse. This is perhaps the most insidious danger, as it affects your core spiritual being. Fake practitioners lacking the true knowledge and lineage may perform rituals incorrectly or use inappropriate materials. This can not only render the work ineffective, but can also invite negative or chaotic energies, create spiritual blockages, or even expose you to entities they cannot control or understand. Their spiritual reading or advice might be completely inaccurate, leading you down the wrong path in life, causing more problems than they solve. Imagine making major life decisions based on flawed spiritual guidance. Without proper initiation and understanding, attempting to interact with spiritual forces can be dangerous. A fake practitioner might connect to energy that drain you, bring misfortune, or cause psychological distress. If you invest heavily, financially, emotionally, and things don't improve or worsen, you can become deeply break down. This can lead to spiritual despair, increased anxiety, and fear. Scammers often use fear tactics to manipulate you. This induces severe anxiety and a constant state of dread, profoundly affecting your mental health and daily life. Discovering you have been scammed can lead to intense feelings of betrayal, shame, or embarrassment, making it difficult to trust others, especially genuine practitioners, in the future. When people have a bad experience with a fake Babalawo, they often generalize, assuming all practitioners or even the entire Yoruba spiritual tradition is fraudulent. This harms the reputation of authentic, dedicated, and ethical spiritual guides and deprives sincere seekers of the true benefits of this profound path. So, how do you actively safeguard yourself and avoid these very real dangers? It boils down to due diligence, discernment, and trusting your inner wisdom. Here are actionable steps you must take. Verify their lineage and training. Ask the hard questions. Always ask, who is your spiritual teacher, your Oluwo? Where were you initiated? What spiritual house or temple do you belong to? And how long have you been formally practicing? Then what to look for here? A genuine practitioner will be proud and transparent, providing specific names, locations, and a clear history. They understand this is crucial for establishing trust. The red flag here: evasiveness, vagueness, claiming self-initiation without a clear explanation of extensive study, or refusal to provide details are massive red flags. As I earlier said in the previous video, lineage is the backbone of authenticity in Yoruba spirituality. Connect with people who are already initiated or have a long-standing positive relationship with reputable Babalawos is very, very important. Don't just ask for a name. Ask about their personal experiences with the practitioner. Did they feel supported? Were the outcomes beneficial? Was the process transparent? Avoid random online searches. While a good starting point, online reviews alone can be manipulated. Combines online presence with real-world community vetting. Observe their practices, tools, and environment. Look for genuine tools like Ikinfa, Okpele, Okmenfa, and traditional cowrie shells. These are specific and recognizable. Do their ritual follow traditional Yoruba protocols? Do they speak knowledgeably about the Orishas, the Oduifa, and the reasons behind each step. The red flag. Gimmicking tools, improvised or inconsistent rituals, flashy props, designed to impress rather than serve sacred purposes, or lack of reverence in their space. Then trust your intuition. The gut check. Pay attention to how you feel. Your inner wisdom is your strongest protector. Do you feel a sense of peace, clarity, and respect? Or do you feel rushed, pressured, confused, intimidated, or uneasy in their presence? Look for genuine respect. Do they listen attentively? Do they explain things patiently? Do they respect your boundaries and questions? So the red flag here. Any hint of manipulation or aggressive persuasion, if it feels too good to be true or too scary to ignore, it probably is. Your gut feeling is often your spirit's warning system. Take your time. Never rush. No urgent decisions. A legitimate practitioner will never pressure you into immediate, expensive decisions, especially not in a crisis. They understand that thoughtful consideration is part of the process. Then start small. If unsure, begin with a single consultation or reading. Observe the experience. See if the guidance resonates. Don't commit to large, long-term spiritual work immediately. Do thorough research. Don't rely on a single source of information. Demand transparency in fees and expectations. A genuine Babalawo will be upfront about their fees, what they cover, and any cost for materials. They will not have hidden charges. They will explain their spiritual work takes time, effort, and your participation. They will never promise instant guaranteed miracles. So the bottom line is your spiritual health, your peace of mind, your financial security are priceless. Working with unverified, unqualified, or fake practitioners might seem like an easier or quicker route initially, but the potential backfire can be devastating and long-lasting. It's a risk simply not worth taking. Seek those who are genuinely rooted in traditional practice, variable lineage, ethical conduct. Insist on clear communication regarding their background, their methods, and their fears. Trust your intuition. Your inner wisdom is your strongest guide in these regards. If it feels off, it is off. You are not a passive victim. So, by being informed and discerning, you are actively protecting your spiritual power and ensure your journey is one of true growth and positive transformation. Your spiritual journey deserves the utmost respect, care, and genuine guidance. Don't compromise on that. If you found this crucial information helpful, empowering, and perhaps even a little sobering, please hit that like button, share this video widely with everyone exploring spiritual paths, and of course, subscribe to Get a Better Life TV for more vital insight into authentic Yoruba spirituality, personal growth, and how to live your most protected and blessed life. Drop your questions, your experiences, or any other warning signs you have encountered in the comment section below. Your shared wisdom helps our entire community stay safe and informed. I love hearing from you. Until next time, stay wise, stay protected, and always keep seeking the truth and living your best life. Thank you and bye for now.